Hello everyone, I'm Igor. I've been trading binary options for 11 years. Today we're trading at Quotex. I'll be making back my previous losses. I lost about $200 in 2 trading sessions, and I need to get that back somehow. Either way, it has to be done, no matter how I feel. Let's see what's happening on the charts, where we can open a trade. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, I'm opening a trade for an increase. Support zone is right here. And let's go ahead and open a trade. Waiting for the price to go up. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, opening a trade for an increase as well, local minimum. The price can't seem to break through this minimum just yet. Euro dollar, also a local minimum. I'll also open a trade for an increase. Support zone. British pound, Canadian dollar, a trade for a decrease here. There's a resistance zone here, waiting for a price drop. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Today trades on this asset are consistently closing in the red, but I'll take a risk and open another trade for an increase. I think I have 4 trades here already, closed in the red, if I remember correctly. Well, you can rewatch the previous videos, it'll be clearer there. Dollar, Japanese yen, trade for a decrease, local maximum. Waiting for a price drop. British pound, Australian dollar, nothing interesting. Euro, British pound, trade for an increase. We have a support zone here. I used to think we'd have a sideways channel, but for now, the price fell to the lower boundary. And it's consolidating somewhere around here. So, well, basically, 7 trades open. I think that's enough for now. Let's see how the price moves. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. In the green for now, but don't let that fool you. The price loves to fall and reverse very sharply. Well, basically, you can see from the chart that there can be a sharp price increase, then a sharp drop, and this can lead to losses. Euro dollar is also growing for now. British pound, Canadian dollar in a small profit, well, more precisely. The price is at the entry point. Canadian dollar, yen in the green, dollar, yen in the green, and euro, British pound in the red for now. What do we have here? We have a support zone here, yes. I'll probably duplicate the trade right now. I won't wait for 2 minutes to pass from the start of the previous trade. I think the price won't fall any lower for us. Roughly, yes, right in the reversal zone of all the lows I opened, and yes, the price is slowly starting to grow. British pound, Canadian dollar, I'll duplicate the trade. The price isn't falling yet, more than 2 minutes have passed, and that's it. Basically, probably 9 trades will be enough in this trading session. I hope they all close in the green. Of course, it's unlikely there will probably be a couple of losing trades, but I hope that most of them will still bring a profit. Let's wait and see how it goes.
During that time, I made 2 decisions that radically changed my life for the better. 1.
Trades are starting to close slowly. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar are in the green. Entered confidently at the very bottom here. This trade will definitely be profitable. This is the first trade in the green. Our next trade is Australian dollar, Japanese yen, 5 seconds. Here too, we entered almost at the very bottom. And here, the price probably never even entered the loss zone. Euro dollar is also a good entry point. Everything is great here too. This trade should also be profitable. The third trade. British pound, Canadian dollar was in the green for a few seconds, but now the price rose sharply. The trade is closing at a loss. The second trade might also close at a loss. Canadian dollar yen is closing in the green, another good entry point. Dollar yen is also closing in the green in 10 seconds. By the way, the first trade today on Canadian dollar yen that closed in profit. Amazing, finally my forecast actually worked out. So, dollar yen is in the green. Euro, British pound, first trade at a loss. Second trade might also be a loss. Yeah, these trades are going to mess up my stats quite a bit now. So I've already closed 5 trades in profit and 2 at a loss. And if these 2 trades close at a loss, the profit will be absolutely terrible. So nothing good is going to come out of this. I need these trades to close in the green as well. But apparently not. The price doesn't want to move upward here. And another trading session where I won't be able to recover my previous losses. Well then, let's wait for the trades to close anyway. I'll speed up the video for you. Let's see what kind of results we end up with. Two seconds until the trade closes. As you can see, the second trade here is also closing at a loss. In the end, 2 losing trades on British pound and Canadian dollar, and 2 more on euro British pound. Exactly. The price dropped here, and there's no profit at all. In the end, what we have is 5 trades in profit, 4 trades at a loss. Terrible trading today, honestly, either a loss or we're trading around break even. I just can't seem to make a profit. Well, I'll have to recover the losses in the next trading session then. If you're suddenly interested in how I find entry points on a clean chart, there are links to educational materials in the description. Check them out to improve your trading skills. And of course, subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Good luck trading, everyone. Bye.